Hey y'all, this playlist is called Ways to Give a Great Massage That Have Nothing to Do with Massage. I'm glad you're checking it out. So here is what I want to say. I think that us massage therapists get ourselves into so much trouble because we focus so much on the actual strokes that we are doing. Obviously, we've got to have great strokes in order to give a great massage, but the problem is when we just think about the strokes, when we just think about how great we are at effleurage or petrissage, or we just think about that killer cross-fiber friction technique for the upper traps that we know, we actually miss out on a huge part of how the client feels like they have just been given a great massage. So in this series of videos, I'm going to be talking about a whole range of things, from noticing your breath to things you do before the session even begins to things you do after the session is over. And I think that it is these things, when we're paying a little more attention to ourselves and what we're conveying to the client, these are the things that really makes our massage from good to fantastic. Check it out.